Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a OnePlus 7 Pro with a broken display, and as you can see it's cracked. So we're gonna try to fix it. Let's go. So you can see that the damage has been done on the front portion of the display, but the back is okay. So we're gonna remove the shroud on this one, and as we go along we're gonna see the unique part of this device. So this is the connector for this display, which is very convenient, so we can try it out before we go ahead with the full disassembly and see if it works. So it boots up and shows up on the replacement display, which is a good indicator that the replacement screen is compatible with the motherboard and other components. And as you can see here, when we go to the camera, you can see the pop-up camera for the selfie. So that's gonna be a tricky repair. So we're gonna see what we can do about it. So we're gonna remove the tons of screws for the shroud that protects the main board. That's the battery in the middle and the daughter board at the bottom. So we're gonna remove all the connectors for the camera, the battery, and of course the Wi-Fi antenna. So this is how we extract the main board. Before we can extract that, we have at least indicated some arrows. So this is the main problem that is unique to this device, the mechanical pop-up camera. So we're gonna try to transplant it to the new screen. So the screen and the chassis is integrated. So when you replace the screen, you may have as well replace all of the device, because the chassis and the screen is one piece. So we're gonna transplant what we extracted from the previous from the broken screen to this one. So this is the daughter board at the bottom, which is in charge of charging, and the connector for the display. So it communicates to the main board via that flat cable that you see going across the device beneath the battery. The wires are the Bluetooth antenna and of course the Wi-Fi antenna. So we see here the daughter board is going to be reinstalled. That's also where we pulled out the SIM card tray. So this full disassembly is kind of tricky. So if we rank it to repairability, I think this is just exclusive for technical professionals, and if you're an enthusiast or a DIY aficionado who wants to fix their own phones, this can be a very complicated repair because of that mechanical pop-up camera. And of course the ton of screws that you can see here on the table. This is not really good if you mix and match some screws, and if you don't have the tools to extract and reinstall them. So we say that you go to the repair center like Sydney CBD Repair Centre to have it fixed, rather than do it yourself and risk further damage to your OnePlus 7 Pro. And as you can see here, David has successfully repaired this OnePlus 7 Pro, and it's booting up, and we're going to test the camera, the buttons, the touchscreen, and other components such as the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So the camera pop-up is working good. Just gonna brush it up, and the final screw and the connector for the back cover, and we're gonna reinstall the back cover to finish up the job. So if you have a OnePlus 7 Pro that needs this repair, don't hesitate to message us or call us or visit us on Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We are on Facebook. We also have a website, and we'll leave you the phone number after this video. This is a freebie that we always see, we always feature on this repair videos, so you can also have an idea. So this one you can DIY. There's no risk here but just wasting plastic or tempered glass, but this is kind of like giving you insights on how to do it yourself. So in this case we have a bubble and of course particles. So when you see these tapes included in your like tempered glass or whatever, this is for removing dirt, I believe. So this is how they would do it, and it's gonna be working out fine. So thanks for joining, guys. Till next time, cheers.